In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unrestrict an account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Then we need to tap right here to head over to our profile page. Then tap at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. Once you are at the Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find Restricted. If we get into it, it will show us all the users we have restricted. Here I got just one user, and we can easily unrestrict a user by tapping at that button that will unrestrict it. However, we can also head over to their profile, and then if we tap right here at Following, we'll be able to unrestrict that user from here. It says Account Unrestricted. And also, if we head over back to restricted accounts, it is no longer located here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.